This is the 2025 F-150 Tremor. You've got to come take a look at it. With this 2025 Tremor, the nice part about this is it already is kind of built for off-road. It gives you 2 inches higher lift. It gives you a modified front and rear bumper, steel plate, bash plates. With the modification, what they did is they cut off 3 inches so you have better depart and approach angles, which we love. You do get 33-inch off-road tires. They are very aggressive. Looking at a little bit of the tech features here, it does come with the wireless charging on it, which is kind of the wave of the future. It also comes with the USB, USD, USB, US9er, all those fun adaptive Bluetooth wireless charging things. You do have heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. This huge navigation screen as well. The screen is great. It does everything that you possibly can want. With the Tremor 402, it does come standard with the multi-access point tailgate. In closing, guys, if you're going to drop off the kids at hockey, go to school, you want to go up the mountains, you want to just tow a trailer, you want to do anything, go off-roading in your quad, this is the truck to have to do it. It does everything you want and more. Hardest truck to find. It's one of the best trucks, aggressive truck, off-road truck you could possibly find, and we got one.